Hello guys, in this short YouTube video I'm gonna show you how to delete your Lemon8 account. So all you have to do is just open Lemon8. After that go to the profile tab, tap here, and now tap on the gear icon at the top right, so here. Now we are on the settings and privacy tab, and here I'm gonna tap on account, and there is the necessary option. So tap on delete account, and to delete my account I have to verify my Google account. So before deleting your account, verify the Google account linked to your Lemon8 account. So tap on verify. So here you can read the information about the things to check when deleting your account. So you can't log into Lemon8 with this account after deleting it. You can't register a new account using the email address linked to this account. Your posts on Lemon8 will be deleted, comments, likes, and collections will be removed, and your account will be permanently deleted in 14 days. So you may reactivate it at any time within this period. So tap on agree and tap on delete. And finally, account deleted. I think this video helped you. If so, subscribe to my channel and like. Thank you. Goodbye.